Hello viewers, how are you? Hope everyone is well. Welcome back to a new video from Apple Info YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to view saved Wi-Fi password on iPhone. Let's get started. Recently, Apple released iOS 16 beta. In iOS 16, you can simply view connected Wi-Fi password in settings. You need to go to settings to show the connected Wi-Fi password on the iPhone. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Tap the eye icon on your connected Wi-Fi. Here is a password option. Tap on it. Enter your iPhone passcode or Face ID. Now you can see the connected Wi-Fi password here. You can copy the password and you can also share the password if you want. So, this was today's video. Hope the video is a little helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends, and also subscribe to the Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.